Welcome to the Awesome Magic Show, starting Magifo. Thank you. Today's magic trick is the toy airplane trick. First, I need a toy airplane from my magic hat. Okay, here's my hat. Time to flip it to get the toy airplane. Perfect! Okay, I'm ready. Now watch this, guys. I'm gonna make it go. Abra, kuwaka, doodle. Huh, where did it go? There it is. There it is again. Whoa! My magic trick worked. It really worked. Yay! Well, guys, I will see you next time when my eye gets healed.